A properly installed door is essential for security, energy efficiency, and the aesthetic appeal of your home or business. However, improper door installation can lead to costly repairs, drafts, and security vulnerabilities. If you're installing a new door in Birmingham, it's crucial to be aware of common mistakes that can occur and how to avoid them. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent mistakes during door installation is incorrect measurements. A door that is too big or too small for its frame can result in gaps, poor insulation, and difficulty in opening or closing. How to avoid it? Always measure the door frame at least 3 times before purchasing a new door. Consider the height, width, and depth of the door frame, ensuring that you account for any irregularities in the wall. Ignoring door swing direction. Many homeowners and contractors overlook the door swing direction, leading to inconvenience and, in some cases, safety hazards. How to avoid it? Determine the best swing direction before installing the door. Think about the flow of foot traffic, furniture placement, and accessibility. Most doors in Birmingham follow either an inward or outward swing, depending on the space and intended use. Poorly installed hinges. Improper hinge installation can cause the door to sag, making it difficult to open and close properly. This often happens when hinges are not aligned correctly or when low-quality hinges are used. How to avoid it? Ensure that hinges are correctly aligned and securely fastened. Use high-quality hinges that can withstand the weight of the door, especially for heavy wooden or metal doors. Using the wrong type of door for different areas require different types of doors. For example, using an interior door for an exterior application can lead to durability and security issues. How to avoid it? Choose the right door for the job. Exterior doors should be made of sturdy materials like solid wood, fiberglass, or steel, while interior doors can be made of lighter materials like hollow core wood. Not sealing the door properly. If a door is not properly sealed, it can allow drafts, moisture, and pests into the home, leading to increased energy bills and potential damage. How to avoid it? Use high-quality weather stripping and caulking to seal the edges of the door. In Birmingham, where damp weather is common, a well-sealed door can prevent water damage and insulation issues. Improper door alignment. A door that is not level can cause issues with closing, latching, and even long-term damage to the frame. How to avoid it? Use a level when installing the door to ensure it is properly aligned. Adjust the frame if necessary to prevent warping and misalignment over time. Rushing the installation process. Many people attempt to install a door quickly without following proper procedures, leading to costly mistakes. How to avoid it? Take your time and follow step-by-step instructions. If you're unsure, consider hiring a professional door installer in Birmingham to ensure a precise and secure installation. Neglecting security features. Doors are a crucial part of home security. Improperly installed locks or weak door frames can make it easy for intruders to gain entry. How to avoid it? Invest in high-quality locks and reinforced door frames. If security is a major concern, consider additional features like deadbolts, smart locks, and security cameras. Conclusion: avoiding these common door installation mistakes will ensure your door functions properly, improves security, and enhances energy efficiency. Whether you're installing a front door, interior door, or back door in Birmingham, taking the right precautions can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. If you're not confident in your DIY skills, hiring a professional can be a worthwhile investment for peace of mind and long-lasting results.